What I am going to say now is only for those people who think and say Jesus is the Son of God because God gave him birth from a virgin mother. I want to tell you, yes, God gave him birth from a virgin mother to show you his sign about what he can do, so you will also believe him. He didn't give him birth as a father. He gave his power to his messenger, Gabriel, to give him birth. And in Bible, nowhere ever Jesus himself said that he is the God or he is the Son of God. In Matthew chapter 26, verse number 63 and 64 is saying, when high priest asked him, "Are you the Son of God?" Jesus replied, "Yes, it is as you say." As you say mean, they said and they thought that Jesus is the Son of God because God gave him birth from a virgin mother. Jesus himself never said that he is the Son of God. And Jesus also said, "You will see in future the Son of Man coming on the clouds of heaven." What Son of Man means? It means Son of Human. In Numbers chapter 23, verse number 19 is saying, God is not a man that he should lie. That means God is not a human that he should lie. And in Matthew chapter 5, verse number 9 is saying, Jesus said, all peacemakers will be called the sons of God. That means not any single special person will be called the Son of God, but all peacemakers who believe that one and only unseen God will be called the Son of God. So I hope it becomes clear to you now that Jesus is not the Son of God and what Son of Man means.